Yeah, they said it's ano naman, it's yeah, I guess it's open talaga to look. Yeah, it's just need a lot of work, but the outside is beautiful. Yeah, so if we have like 6 months to stay over there, but it has just a cleaning and a little bit work, you know. Ayan yung kanyang ano. Yeah, wonder for this place, and you have the price. Of course, it's like we are gonna need a lot of cleaning and yeah. We have to ask the history as well. Yeah, this is a Kia. This is abandoned, Daddy. Abandoned house. This is a Kia. We have to know more about the story of this house. Oh my God, it's really abandoned. Yeah. Oh, there you have a nice, ano? Ayan.
Nice offer.
Oo, offer. And then we're gonna take a picture. We can ano pa dito? What is that saying? Ito.
So they're just gonna leave it like this, or are you gonna clean it?
We are the one who's gonna buy. That's why they selling it this like kind of this price, because we have to, ano, take care of. Halika, Yuki.
Hello. What happened?
Yuki. Ayan, so ayan yung kanyang ano. But this is ano lang to, linis. Ang konting ano lang to. Oh. There's a one room here. And
Hello. Torochi. Nasa inside na kami sa house.
we're already inside.
Ano sa ano yun sa back door.
Yeah, we need ano, it's really ano, no?
Maka-open.
It's so kitanay, ne. Ha?
Ano eh?
Sobrang kitanay, ne.
Ano?
Oo. Oo. Demo, pudosang ga, ano? They're going to clean it.
If you buy it.
Ah.
Buy it.
Okay.
So pagka
Yan, no? Diyan, ganyan siya kadumi. Oh, that is na, ano. Yeah, they're going to clean naman pala the pudosang, the agency. So,
second floor. My third floor.
oh, there's a third floor? Oh my God, it's nice naman. Sana. Just need a clean. We want, ano lang, make an offer, but we need to know the history.
History lang daw.
History of the house. And
Wala naman ako dito. Ano ba tayo dito?
may sasabihin nila yan, bawal hindi sabihin. You can really tell naman, Yuki, di ba? So, 1, 2, 3. But it's nice though. Oo. Andali, ane. I will take a picture, guys. Guys, you have to take a picture. What is in there? Oh, there's a restroom, toilet upstairs too. Ayan. Andali. Is the neighborhood. It's now have a nice neighborhood though. And yeah. don't do. Yan, ito, talagang na ano na siya, abandoned siya, neglect. So, wow, may ano pa pala siya dyan, ha?
Satellite.
Mm.
It's like
At least meron na siyang ano, nakaganyan. Hindi na natin, ano, meron pang ganyan extra.
I wonder why this is abandoned.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Yeah, I wonder why.
I wonder why.
Ang ganda ng house.
This is ano, car parking. Yeah,
Diba? Ang ganda ng house.
yeah. And for that price, no?
Tapos may ano pa, guardrail.
For that price pa, di ba? Mura eh. Sobrang mura sa price niya. Ayan. Ayan yung likod niya. Ganda ng ano, likod oh. Yan, may gas naman. May ano, sisindihan lang yung gas niyan eh. Ayan. Laki. It's nice for that price. My God. Mahirap kang makakuha ng ganyan. 1990 ano.
Malaki rin.
Malaki din. Kasi mo, sa pera ng natin sa Pilipinas, what is 40,000? Diyos ko. Di ba? Or 47. Is this how much? 50?
47.
47.
Almost 7,000 diba?
Oo, plus. Siyempre, mga ano pa nila yung fees at chuchucho. Mm.
Please.
Oo, siyempre.
Hindi, kaso, then you gotta need to, ano na.
And, yun nga, if we can make our offer. That's what, the, ano,
Unless if 47 comes